for wants to know more. I'm thinking the bike should be a bit higher, you know. Well, I hit 45 pretty quick then. Yep, I just hit 48, so this is going to do 50, and that was hitting 50 nearly uphill on that bit there. Yeah, so this bike's for sale. £700 tax it. Just a quick recap of what I got to finish. Yeah, so all the jobs that I've got to finish on this bike for me to be done with, and it's for sale. Sale's already done. I don't really give a shit. Either way, it's a bike for the lads to ride. So I got to get quick release Jubilee clips, large ones, and some kind of rubber, Velcro, padding kind of material to wrap around each part of the battery. That comes on and off easy. And then the Jubilee clips will clip on quick release. So when you get home off your ride, it's up to you where you put your battery. All my build, man, on a mountain bike frame, definitely let you take the battery on and off. It's a priority to me. So then what have I got then? Fill these two little holes, we get the wrap on, and that's where the controls are going to end up actually mounting. Then I'm going to buy a shroud, I hide the wire in and do better cable management. And then I ain't spending £91 on brakes. That's up to the dude buying it, and they might not even spend that much, so whatever, right?